Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Funle 1080p bicycle mirror with a 4.3-inch color night display. I had already a similar device mounted on my bike, but it was two devices actually. It was working wireless and I had a lot of problem with them because I always had to charge two devices and there were a lot of connectivity issues. So usually it took me about 5 minutes to get connection. That was definitely not a good thing. So I decided to go with this thing, which is supposed to be much easier to connect and to use. And so this is what we get here. Really nice display. We get everything, full package, including everything which you need to install. We get the mount for the main device. We get some cable holders. We get this instructions manual here with some detailed instruction how to mount. And here we have the camera itself. We have this opening here with this flap which makes it water protected, and so it's highly recommended to give it a full charge before you're using it. By the way, there's no charging indicator here as far as I've been able to see, but we can turn it on here with a short press and then we can see the battery indicator. What we also have here already before we attach the camera, we have some menu. We can activate some settings here with the menu, and you can see we have this picture setting and the normal settings, and we can everything control here with the menu plus, minus, on, off, and the OK button. So it's very easy to use. So here with the picture setting and the OK, we can increase the brightness, contrast, saturation, tint, or we can change the general settings here. We have different languages. We can reset it or check the software version. So let's go back here and turn it off while it's still charging. So when it's fully charged, we can remove the charging cable and then we can add the handlebar mount here from this side. It's very easy. We hear this clicking sound, so it's very secure. If you want to release it like for charging or so, we can lift this flap here a little bit and move it to this side. Very easy to attach, very easy to remove again. So we have two really good mounts here. I would say very solid brackets, and we have this soft rubber here inside, which gives it a very good hold. And of course, when we want to see a picture, we turn it on and then we attach the camera and it will directly go into the picture. And so you can see we get a pretty nice picture here already, but of course it's a little bit compromised here inside because of the light refreshing rate. This won't happen outside, don't be worried about that. So something which is really important to know, that we turn it on and off just with a short click here. When we turn it around, you can see it takes a little bit of time, just a couple of seconds. If it won't turn on, click again here, just wait for a little bit and usually it will turn on, absolutely no problem. You can see that here. And so here I'm outside and you can see it was super easy to mount. It took me just about 10 minutes for everything. And here you can see it from this side. You can see how nicely this worked with these Velcro straps. I've even been able to secure the remaining cable here. Here you can nicely adjust it and then secure it when it's in the right position. You can move it up and down and left and right exactly how you want it, and the wires nicely secured it all the way along here. And you can see I can even move the handlebar left and right, absolutely no problem. Also the visibility is still perfect no matter how I move it. You can see I can move it around and I can still see it absolutely perfect. Even can move it down and up, and no matter what I do, the visibility is perfect, has a very wide view. And also something which is super important, that you see the left side on the left side of the screen and the right side on the right side of the screen, because some of these systems work mirrored and then you have it vice versa, and this is very dangerous. So you will expect the people on the wrong side. I had it before. This is much better. You can see when I hold my hand here on the left side, it's showing up on the left side. When I hold it on the right side here, it's showing on the right side. Absolutely perfect. And so I've been riding now for a couple of miles and you can see how nicely this works. This is absolutely
absolutely perfect. Visibility is great, no matter if I'm riding in the shade or in full sun. I mean, this is as bright as it gets outside, and I can still see it perfectly. So I would say this is as good as it gets, and I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order the ride from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.